Hello, problem solving using conversion factors. So some of the students are still struggling with problem solving using conversion factor method. So let's see examples how we can use conversion factors for unit conversions or problem solving. You can see a question, carry out each of the following conversions. There are 6 parts. First, you need to convert 300 grams to milligrams. So let's go through one by one. 300 grams to milligrams. The given quantity and the desired quantity you need to identify first. The given quantity means what is the quantity given in the question. That is 300 grams given for you. And desired quantity means what is the quantity asked in the question. That is any number in milligrams. That is your desired quantity. And based on the given quantity unit and the desired quantity unit, you need to find out what is the relationship, what is the connection. So for that you need a unit conversion table, English to metric unit conversion table. You can find in textbook or just Google what is the grams milligrams connection. So 1000 milligrams is equal 1 gram, that is the connection. For this one we call equality. So these are equalities. So 1000 milligrams equal 1 gram. So if you use one equality, we can build two conversion factors. So what is the meaning of conversion factor? Conversion factor means the equality we can write as a fraction. 1000 divided by 1 is 1 fraction. And another way you can write the second fraction, 1000 switch into the denominator, 1 gram goes to the numerator. So 1 divided by 1000 is the second conversion factor. So that's how equality used to build two conversion factors. Now let's see which conversion factor is best for our calculation. It is based on the given quantity unit. So what is the given quantity? 300 grams. Then your conversion factor should have the same unit as the given quantity in the denominator. That's how we select the conversion factor, the best for our calculation. So why we need to select the same unit in the given and the denominator? Then we can cancel the grams and the denominator units, this one and this grams, and that is unwanted unit. That way we can remove our unwanted unit grams and remaining units is milligrams, that is desired unit. So this equation is 300 and this is our conversion factor. 300 multiplied by 1000 divided by grams, units, grams, grams cancel, answer in milligrams. It is 3 times 10 to the power 5 milligrams. Now let's see significant figures. So normally in conversion factors, we consider significant figures are exact or constant. So you don't need to consider significant figures in the conversion factor. So ignore this part. Now let's see how many significs in the given number. Only one, because two zeros are not significant without decimal place. So the final answer then you need to report into one significant figure, that is 3 times 10 to the power 5 milligrams. Let's go to second one. The second one is 2 liters. You need to convert into microliters. Same way, the given quantity is 2 liters. Desired quantity is how many microliters. So after we identify both, now we need to find out what is the equality between liter and the microliter. So you'll know base units. We discuss base units for 7 measurements. For the volume, base unit is liter. For other smaller and larger volume measurements, we can add prefixes like milli, centi, deci. For larger units, kilo, mega, giga, to relate base units before the other larger and the smaller units. So here the microliters, micro means always 10 to the power minus 6. So 10 to the power minus 6 liters is equal 1 microliter. Another way we can write 1 liter is equal 10 to the power plus 6 microliters. Microliter is smaller unit, liter is the larger quantity, large volume. So 10 to the power 6 times microliters is equal 1 liter. Another way, 10 to the power negative 6 liter is equal 1 microliter. So let's use this equality to build two conversion factors. Conversion factor again as a fraction, you can write 10 to the power 6 microliter divided by 1 liter, or another conversion factor 1 liter divided by 10 to the power 6. Now which conversion factor among those two we need for our calculation? The liter is the given quantity unit, then liter should be in the denominator of the conversion factor we are choosing. So it is this one. Then liter unwanted unit cancel. 2 times 10 to the power 6 microliter is your answer. Let's go to our third one, 5.0 centimeters to meters. Okay, given quantity is 5.0 centimeters, desired quantity in meters. Now what is the relationship between meters and centimeters? 100 centimeter equal to 1 meter. This is our equality. Now same way, let's build conversion factors. 100 centimeter divided by 1 meter, or 1 meter divided by 100 centimeter. So based on the given quantity unit, centimeter is the unit, then denominator should have the same unit. So just select this conversion factor. Then centimeter cancel. 5 times 1 is 5, divided by 100 is 0.05 meters. So how many sig figs needs to report here? In the given number 5.0 with decimal place 0 is significant, then there are 2 sig figs total. Final answer should be 2 sig figs. Then we need to add 1 0 at the end because front zeros are not significant. 0.050, this 5 and last ending 0 is significant with the decimal place. 2 sig figs and 2 sig figs. Let's go to D. Part D, 300 grams you need to convert into ounce. So the given quantity is 300 grams, desired quantity how many ounces? So equality between grams and ounces, so roughly 28.3 grams equal 1 ounce. Same way, let's build the conversion factors. 28.3 divided by 1 ounce, or 1 ounce divided by 28.3. So based on the given quantity unit, you need to select grams in the denominator. So 300 times 1, 300 divided by 28.3 is 10.6 ounce. Let's go to next question. Next one is E. 2 feet you have to convert into meters. So the given quantity is 2 feet. Desired quantity you need to find out in meters. Now here you have to apply more than one conversion factors. So first we can calculate the 1 foot is equal 12 inches. So then 2 feet means 12 times 2. You can convert feet into inches first, because then we can find another relationship between inch and centimeters. 1 inch is equal 2.54 centimeters. So if you know centimeters, you can easily calculate centimeters into meters. So let's apply this calculation using 3 conversion factors. There are 3 equalities given. Foot, inch, one equality, inch, centimeter, another equality, centimeter, meter, another equality. So if you want, you can apply this calculation in 3 separate steps, but here I apply in one single step. First 2 feet converts into inch. This is the conversion factor, equality. You can write 2 conversion factor, 1 foot divided by 12 inch, or 12 inch divided by 1 foot. But we need to select feet in the denominator conversion factor, because feet cancel. Then 2 times 12, 24 inch is the answer for this part. Now 24 inch converts into centimeters. So 24-inch. Next equality, we need to select inch in the denominator because inch here, inch cancel. Then 24 times 2.54 is the answer in centimeters. If you have any centimeter number, so this is the equality between centimeter and the meter. You can select centimeter denominator conversion factor. That number divided by 100 is our answer in meters. So we applied 3 conversion factors here. Last one, 3.5 yards to meters. How we can convert yards to meters? Again, more than one conversion factor. The given quantity is 3.5 yard. Desired quantity is in any number meters. Now let's build equality. 1 yard is equal 3 feet. So let's convert yard into feet first, because we know 1 feet is equal 30.48 centimeters, and then feet convert into centimeters, finally centimeters to meters. Same like above. So 3.5 yard, using first equality, we can write 2 conversion factors, 1 yard divided by 3 feet or 3 feet divided by 1 yard. But we need this conversion factor yard in the denominator because our given quantity unit is in yard. Then yard cancel. 3.5 times 3 is the answer in feet. So this answer in feet, you need to select the second conversion factor using this equality. The feet should be in the denominator. Then feet cancel. The answer times 30.48 is in centimeters. Then in centimeter answer, you need to divide by 100 because 100 centimeter is 1 meter, and finally 3.2 is the answer in meters. So I hope you all can understand now how we can find the equalities. Equalities you can find in any conversion factor tables, in any textbook related to this concept, or you can search Google what is the relationship between yard and the meters or grams and the milligrams. That way, another way you can find out. And using one equality, you can build 2 conversion factors. So best conversion factor among those 2 you can select based on the given quantity unit. And after you do the calculation, you need to consider significant figures based on the given numbers. Always significant figures we need to consider as constant in the conversion factors. You have to ignore conversion factor significant figures, numbers. Always the given number is matched with the final number significant figures. Thank you all for watching. If this video is helpful for you, subscribe and click the like button and share with your friends for their help. And let me know if you need any other topics to discuss in the comment section. Thanks.